Hello everyone and welcome to Painting Made Easy. Your instructor's name is Bev and she is so excited to have you here. She created this channel to teach people how to paint in a way that's simple, affordable, and most importantly, fun. Unlike some other channels, she won't overwhelm you with technical details like brush names, sizes, or specific paint brands you must have, because she knows you don't necessarily need them. Painting should be enjoyable, not stressful, and she is here to show you how to create beautiful art using tools and materials that are beginner-friendly and budget-conscious. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a more relaxed approach, this channel is all about learning by doing, mistakes and all. A little about her. She is a fine artist with over 30 years of experience. While she has taken a few classes along the way, most of what she has learned has come through trial, error, and a lot of practice. When she was in her late 20s, she took oil painting lessons from a talented wildlife artist named Tim Dixon in Ontario, Canada. It was because of him that she fell in love with painting. Later, she had the privilege of learning landscapes and mountains from a certified Bob Ross instructor named Sylvia. Both experiences were invaluable, but much of her journey as an artist has been self-taught. Years later, she decided to try acrylics. She walked into a dollar store, bought every color they had, about 11 at the time, and started experimenting. She even used their canvases, which were perfect for learning. Over time, she fell in love with acrylic painting, and those humble supplies helped shape her into the artist she is today. On this channel, we'll explore the creative possibilities of affordable paints, brushes, and tools, even ones used for purposes they weren't originally intended for. We'll focus less on perfection and more on having fun and discovering your unique style. So, grab your apron, pull up a chair, and get ready to relax and create. Let's leave the stress of learning at the door and enjoy the process together. This is Painting Made Easy, where painting becomes as enjoyable as it was meant to be. Enjoy the class.